Hello, this is Peter Lieber from EIM International. I'm here to show you our Smart DocID for iManage. EIM International has been a long-time partner with iManage, servicing the law firm, legal department, and corporate environments. Our Smart DocID is a smart footer for Microsoft Word and Excel, and we work within the iManage plugin framework. So we're allowed to put in and customize the document footer so you are in control of your documents. What I'm doing here is I'm saving a new document, and when I do so, you will see I have certain attributes that I've preset using our Smart DocID configuration capability. So I've saved the document, and you will see I now have a document footer that sits alongside a pre-existing footer with the document number and version. Some of the attributes that we can customize are the location of this, which is in the lower left-hand corner, the size, the font, and also what are we showing here? The document number, version number. It can be with a pound sign, for instance. It could say .num. It can say version. It can say .1. All those are optional capabilities in our Smart DocID. And you can see where we've added our cells on top of the existing footer. We don't interrupt it, we don't interfere, we don't eliminate any existing footer information, of course, unless you want us to. And we're also aware of multiple styles, such as a different first page, where there's no footer whatsoever. We want to be aware of what you have in your documents and work alongside those things. Your documents are important. Your document management system and iManage is important. We feel that our Smart DocID treats the importance of these things appropriately. We also allow you to have your customers control footers themselves further if you would like to. This is our footer dialog, which is started from the footer icon on the iManage work ribbon. It has some helper text, some action buttons, and the attributes that you want to include in your document footers. This is all customizable, so you can have the experience that you want your customers to have with interacting with their footers that are appropriate to your firm or organization. Thank you for watching. Please come to our website, www.eimintel.com, for further information. Thank you for watching.